domaine du changement climatique, c'est un domaine très compliqué en Afrique. Avec les mentalités, les gens ne croient pas surtout au changement climatique.
All my families, including my father and my sibling, they are farmers. They work in the field. We are growing, especially the rice. I started studying about the rice production in my master's degree.
Je viens dans une famille où presque ils n'ont pas fait d'études. Donc c'était la première fois d'abord d'être une femme, faire des études scientifiques, ensuite aller jusqu'à la recherche. Donc c'était pas facile du tout.
Sri Lanka is a tropical country in Asia. It's going to have more adverse effects of the climate change.
My research was based on the farmer needs. The farmer urgently needs the drought-tolerant varieties.
Over 50% of the total population of the world now lives in cities, in urban areas. How these urbanization issues impact on the extreme events is not clearly known for the scientific community at the moment.
Le changement climatique est bien réel et on est en train de suivre vraiment les conséquences.
Dal 2013 la Fondazione Cuomo sostiene un programma di borse di studio per le ricerche dei paesi in via di sviluppo. Il progetto, avviato in collaborazione con il gruppo intergovernativo di esperti sul cambiamento climatico e la Fondazione Principe Alberto II di Monaco, rappresenta un passo fondamentale verso una migliore comprensione di uno dei temi cruciali del nostro tempo: il cambiamento climatico.
I find the suitable water practice for hygiene and minimum methane emission from rice production. And I also evaluated the effect of cow manure and the methane emission and the yield of the rice. I also investigated their interaction effect on OG and methane emission.
My research was especially on the vegetables and fruit research. Eggplant is one of the important kitchen crops for our country.
Mon projet de recherche consiste à essayer d'évaluer l'impact de l'urbanisation sur la dynamique de la mousson africaine. On sait qu'en Afrique, la mousson africaine occupe une place importante dans l'économie de la région. Et on s'est rendu compte qu'avec le phénomène de changement climatique, il y a des nouvelles villes qui commencent à se développer, les mégacités, tout ça. Donc, on est en train de voir quel impact ça va causer sur la dynamique de la mousson africaine.
My main research focuses on urbanization impacts on the local scale extreme weather events such as rainfall or drought, heat events. People are being more focused on these issues in the recent past because there are more people living in urban cities. In the wake of the climate change, the more extreme events are in more frequent manner. We need to do more research on this aspect to dig into the dynamics, how the mechanism of these extreme events are happening, influenced by the urbanization. What I'm doing is trying to find it for the Sri Lankan version, because this type of research has been done in a different part of the world, but not in the tropical areas or tropical island like Sri Lanka.
Il programma di borse di studio sul cambiamento climatico è stato lanciato dal GIEC nel 2006. Inizialmente il progetto è stato creato con i fondi del Premio Nobel della Pace che il GIEC ricevette nello stesso anno. La Fondazione del Principe Alberto II di Monaco ha iniziato un partenariato nel 2011 con il GIEC, con lo scopo di perennizzare questo programma. Fondazione Cuomo a sua volta ha raggiunto lo stesso programma nel 2013. Allora la Fondazione ha sostenuto 11 giovani dottorandi provenienti dall'Asia, l'Africa e l'America Latina. 11 ricerche condotte a termine, inedite e necessarie.
Surtout en Afrique de l'Ouest, il n'y avait pas d'études par rapport à ça. Comparé aux autres pays comme par exemple Asie ou bien Inde, il y a beaucoup d'études qui ont été faites dans ce sens que pour essayer de voir l'impact que va causer l'urbanisation sur la dynamique de la mousson.
The rainfall is very low, and also the rainfall is not stable. Most of the region in 9 months or around about 8 months maybe suffer the drought condition. My released varieties can be well grown in this condition.
Il Myanmar è un paese che la Fondazione conosce bene. Alla fine degli anni 90, Alfredo e Maria Elena Cuomo hanno percorso questo paese dall'estremo oriente in lungo e in largo. In seguito hanno pubblicato il loro diario di viaggio intitolato Land of Gold, opera fotografica che celebra lo splendore di questo paese in senso proprio e figurato. L'altra faccia di questa medaglia splendente e dorata è meno lucente. Infatti, l'industria mineraria ha sconvolto il paesaggio naturale di questo paese tropicale e ha drasticamente ridotto la superficie coltivabile e le foreste, più specificamente nello stato di Kachin. Una catastrofe ecologica che si aggiunge ad altri effetti del cambiamento climatico in un paese che dipende molto dall'agricoltura.
The effects of the climate change is very serious in our country. Some areas will be flooding, some areas will be drought condition. Therefore, we need to develop the drought and flooding varieties.
And in our region, to the farmer about the climate change in our region. So they noted well about the changing of the climate. My parents also noted that the climate change happened.
According to our country, from the viewpoint of the research upon the climate change, they are still weak. We need a lot of the non-government organization to develop or to promote this climate change sector or climate change research sector. Some of the collected devices are very expensive for us. This is the main or the great barrier for me.
The main issue is the budget. The JICA from Japan, they donated many facility about the research. But the main problem about that facility is lacking the technician for using the facility. If we can solve this problem, we need to find the budget for this.
How can we transfer our knowledge, or how can we change each other is very important for us. If we cannot attend or we cannot go any other place, we cannot exchange our information.
Le borse di studio sono assegnate ogni 2 anni e i candidati sono scelti tra le centinaia che si presentano, provenienti dai paesi in via di sviluppo. Questa preselezione è in seguito sottoposta alle 2 fondazioni partner del programma, che valutano a loro volta tutti i dossier dei candidati e selezionano i progetti di ricerca che accompagneranno per 2 anni.
Since the civil war was ended in 2009 in Sri Lanka, the development has been on the uprising, particularly in the Colombo. The major metropolitan area has been in rapid development. This type of research question is going to be very crucial for Sri Lanka, because the real mechanism of this extreme rainfall events or drought events is not known to the scientific community. Having this knowledge is important for disaster management people or the policymakers to plan the cities more environmentally sound manner.
Mon premier objectif, ce serait d'essayer de changer la mentalité des gens. Parce que là, ils croient que le changement climatique n'existe pas, que c'est un phénomène seulement créé par les scientifiques pour essayer de se faire de l'argent, tout ça. Non. Peut-être aussi c'est lié à notre croyance religieuse, parce que là, ils disent que le climat, c'est du domaine de Dieu.
Particularly the research that I am doing involves computer simulations to run certain scenarios of the climate change, which requires a high amount of computer resources. And even the Department of Meteorology in Sri Lanka has a very limited amount of computer resources. I'm conducting my research in Taiwan Research Institute, where they have these kind of facilities.
Déjà, on n'a pas de centre de modélisation et pour faire des études sur le changement climatique, il faut un centre de modélisation. Donc, on est obligé soit de cesser des collaborations, soit par la France avec l'IRD, ou bien, comme dans mon cas, essayer de venir jusqu'à Italie justement pour faire des études de modélisation. Il y a énormément de problèmes qu'on rencontre pour faire de la science là-bas.
Our governments are very weak on the investment of the research and development. It is the main problem for us. If the government was more and more invest on the research and development, our country will be developed, and also our agricultural sector will be developed.
I'm trying to find what's the real mechanism behind these extreme events such as extreme rainfall which causes flash floods, or extreme drought events where the water is going to be lacked for the daily purposes. It will be beneficial for Sri Lanka in years to come because this type of research is not being conducted at the moment, so this will be a good reference point for Sri Lankan research community.
Essayer de voir avec le gouvernement sénégalais s'il y a des projets de créer de nouvelles cités où la population ne soit pas trop dense. Là au moins ça va un peu peut-être alléger les problèmes. À travers mes résultats aussi, je vais essayer de voir si c'est réellement vérifié qu'il y a un impact de l'urbanisation sur la dynamique de la mousson.
So professional goal is to conduct the applying research, especially for the farmers. All of my research are based on the farmer needs.
The final outcome of my research will give the idea of what is the reason behind and how to predict this kind of event if it's going to happen in the future.
Pour au moins avancer il te faut un financement. Et c'était très difficile d'avoir ça au pays. Donc, à un moment donné, j'avais même vu que je vais arrêter, je vais tout faire, essayer d'être sur autre chose. Et finalement, la fondation est venue, il a financé mes travaux et ça a été un grand soulagement. En tout cas, merci. Merci du fond du cœur.
I got this scholarship from 2030, but I had the difficulty to study. I would like to pursue my PhD in abroad. But at the time, the authorized person authority cannot allow to do PhD study in abroad. They have rules and regulation to study PhD in abroad. I am not fit to that rule and regulation. I really would like to thank IBCC and Kumu Foundation.
As a graduate student, there's always a financial burden on your shoulders, and also I have a small family, and also my wife is also a PhD student. Studying with me. Having a financial support from Kumu Foundation is instrumental.
Mon souhait, c'est de rentrer au pays, essayer de former des jeunes gens, essayer au moins d'ouvrir un centre de modélisation. Là, au moins, on peut faire des études plus avancées, plus poussées.
Questo programma di borse di studio è un'iniziativa che contribuisce a colmare le lacune in materia di ricerca sull'evoluzione del clima nei paesi e nelle regioni spesso in difficoltà. Infatti, questi studi sovvenzionati si basano su dei fenomeni e delle situazioni che non hanno attirato, per mancanza di mezzi, l'attenzione da parte della comunità scientifica.
The tropical parts of the world is not been addressed properly in the research community. So by doing research on this part of the world, such as in Sri Lanka, it will aid into the research knowledge base in the world as well. This knowledge convince the policy makers in a correct manner in order to have the real benefit out of this research.
I dati acquisiti e prodotti ogni anno dagli studenti rappresentano una inestimabile base di conoscenza, che rimane accessibile non solo alla comunità scientifica mondiale, ma anche ai decisori che hanno il potere di mettere in pratica questa scienza.